review journal. The presenter is Anzani Mega Aulia. The title journal is about Pancasila as the paradigm of legal development in Indonesia. Okay, firstly, let us say thanks to God because until this time we are still given the help and the chance so that we can join together and come together for following English class presentation for today. I am as the moderator would like to read the presentation agenda. The first one opening and then the second one presentation, the third one questions and answer, and the last closing. Let us open this presentation by saying lafaz basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Good morning, everyone. Today I'm standing here to present my result of review journal. The title of the journal is Pancasila as a Paradigm of Legal Development in Indonesia. It's from GC authors is Mawagi Esia, Amini, and Mas Budi Asbar. Okay, next to the literature. The literature is relevant and supports of its legal politics was based on the basic philosophy like Pancasila and the 1945 Constitution. But subject have the argument that the Pancasila and the 1945 Constitution became the framework of reference for the development of the new legal system. And with the method based on journal, the author used a normative juridical method also called doctrinal legal research. Next, the result is Pancasila holds an essential role as both the philosophical and juridical. Juridically, Article 2 of Law Number 12 of 2011 affirms that Pancasila as the source of all legal sources, meaning that no law may contradict its values. Last is Indonesia's legal development must be rooted in social values embodied in Pancasila. Law Number 12 of 2011 affirms Pancasila as the foundation of all legal sources, ensuring that every legal product reflects national ideals and the identity of the Indonesian people. Okay, I think that's enough. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Anjali. The presentation has finished. There was an interesting conclusion. There was an interesting result in the presentation. So, in this chance, I would like to give the chance for the audience. We are opening a sharing session. Please, from the audience, anybody would like to respond or to give their opinion? Yeah, anybody would like to ask a question? Raise your hand, please.
I have one question for Anjali, and then my question: what is the role of Pancasila development in Indonesia?
Okay, good question. Thank you.
The role of Pancasila development in Indonesia. The role of Pancasila in Indonesian development is 1. Philosophical foundation or falsafah negara. It provides the core values and worldview that guide how the nation develops, like socially, culturally, and politically. Next, legally. And number 2, source of laws. According to law number 12 of 2011, Pancasila is the highest legal foundation. And number 3, guideline for national development. It shapes government programs, national planning, and development direction. Maybe that's enough for answering your question.
Okay, in conclusion, that there are 5 roles of Pancasila development in Indonesia.
Is this philosophical foundation, source of all laws, and guideline for national development.
Okay, thank you. Get a point?
Yes, enough.
Yes, thank you. Okay, everybody. Today we have learned about to do an article